How y'all doing today? I'm in the park. What park is this? This is called, I don't even know what park this is, but anyway, I'm in the bushes. It's probably like 70 something degrees out here, probably. I'm assuming. Anyway, let's get back to our story. So yeah, this coronavirus thing is like crazy, man, because making people stay in their house or whatever. So this is part 2 of my video that I launched yesterday or the week before. Was it not yesterday? Yeah, or the day before yesterday. Yeah. So this crisis with the coronavirus thing, man, don't let it get in your heads, man. Just try to keep positive, keep a right mindset, and just enjoy nature, enjoy life.